The majority of YouTube channels and TikTok creators today use animations like these to capture attention and grow their audiences. In this video, I'll show you how to create these animations in a simple and effective way. No advanced skills needed. With these techniques, you can start making content that stands out, and even start earning from your YouTube channel or TikTok. Let's get started. We'll take a look at how to create your own animated character with ease. First, we'll go to the free image generator, Lexica.ai. Once there, we'll search for a young guy character to find a unique AI-generated image that's perfect for your animation. With just a few clicks, you'll have a custom character ready to bring your content to life. This one looks perfect. Let's download it, and next, we'll remove the background of this character using Remove BG with a clean, transparent background. But since Remove BG only accepts PNG and JPG files, we'll first need to convert our image from web to PNG. After converting, we'll remove the background. Photopea is a free, online photo editor that works right inside your browser. No downloads needed. It's perfect for quick edits, like removing backgrounds, layering images, or customizing characters. We'll use it to easily hide the mouth of our character, giving it a more customized look. With these simple edits, our character will be ready for animation. Our character is ready. Now, let's head over to Lexica.ai and download a YouTuber bathroom background to set the perfect scene. This background will make our animation more engaging and unique. Let's go to Canva and create a design for our horizontal video. Canva makes it easy to set up the perfect layout and add our character and background seamlessly. Our character and background look perfect. Now, to complete the scene, let's quickly download a few additional items: a desk, microphone, and laptop. These elements will make the setup feel more realistic and engaging. I'll speed through this part since it's mostly downloading the images and removing backgrounds using Remove IB. Once that's done, we'll be ready to bring everything together in our design. All of these resources can be found below the video. Additionally, you'll need to download CapCut on your PC. CapCut is a user-friendly video editing software that will help you put all the elements together seamlessly and create a polished final product. We will open CapCut and start by customizing the size of your video for YouTube. Setting it to the horizontal 16:9 aspect ratio. This is the standard format for YouTube videos, ensuring that your content displays perfectly on the platform. Next, we'll adjust the video quality and frame rate, FPS, to achieve a smooth and professional look. Higher quality and appropriate FPS will enhance the viewing experience for your audience. We also need to download a mouth green screen from YouTube. This green screen will allow us to add animated mouth movements to our character, making it look more lively and engaging. After downloading, we'll remove the background using the chroma key feature in CapCut. This technique allows us to isolate the mouth and overlay it onto our character seamlessly, enhancing the overall animation. And that brings us to the end of our video. Today, we've journeyed through the exciting process of creating a viral talking avatar, incorporating animations and practical editing techniques that can truly elevate your content. By utilizing tools like Photopea, CapCut, and RemoveIb, you can bring your characters to life and create engaging visuals that captivate your audience. These techniques not only enhance the quality of your videos, but also help you stand out on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, where visual appeal is crucial. As a bonus, I'd like to share a quick and handy tip. If you ever need to change your video format from horizontal to vertical, it can be accomplished in just 2 seconds in CapCut. Simply navigate to the settings, adjust the aspect ratio to 9:16, and your video will be perfectly formatted for platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels. This flexibility allows you to repurpose your content effortlessly, reaching a broader audience. For all the resources we discussed, just click on the links below. I encourage you to experiment with these techniques and put your unique spin on your creations. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial valuable. Keep creating and pushing the boundaries of your content.